everyone! Today, I'm excited to share a delicious recipe for keto chocolate peanut butter fudge. With just a few simple and sugar-free ingredients, 225 grams unsalted butter, 4 bars of cacao tablea. Microwave butter and cacao tablea in 30 seconds burst. And another 30 seconds. Or you can melt in a saucepan on the stove over low heat. Ensure that the cacao tablea is fully melted. This recipe is suitable for individuals who are on a ketogenic diet. Peanut butter can be a part of keto diet, but it is best to stick to simple options that don't have any added flavor or sweeteners. Add 3 tablespoons powdered sweetener. You can use any kind of low-carb sweetener. Add vanilla syrup. This is optional. Add 1 drop of stevia liquid. Adjust according to your taste. Pour the mixture into a small container and freeze it for 30 minutes or until set. Thanks for joining me today as we made this delicious chocolate fudge. Hope you enjoyed the process and are excited to try it yourself. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more sweet recipes, and share your fudge creations in the comments below. Happy baking, and see you next time!